Hello and welcome to the first ever Domino Challenge. Our motto is that Domino Clamps can attach almost anything to a shipping container. So back in January, we asked you on social media to challenge us with your suggestions. One of these stood out as the clear winner in terms of likes amid a selection of bizarre, impossible, and in some cases morally questionable suggestions. So the people have spoken and you want
the moon on a stick.
Thank you, Diane, for such an undemanding request. So, let's do it. We're going to take some slight liberties with the stick and use steel tube instead. And thanks to our very good friends at Akoru Events Hire in Bristol, we have one moon. One clamp here, another there. Take this here, that there. Ta-da! One moon on a stick. So there you go. Domino clamps are the smartest way to attach just about anything to a shipping container. Be sure to follow us on social media to get your chance to make a suggestion for the next Domino Challenge. And remember, just because you can attach almost anything to a shipping container doesn't mean you necessarily should. Please stay safe, pay special attention to the technical sheet and installation guide on the website. And do keep in touch with how you use Domino clamps. Happy clamping!